Yeah, all in one. All in one. All in one is a medication that fast relieves pain, fever, headache, nasal congestion, dry cough, sore throat pain, chills. Jesus. It has 180 milliliter syrup. So you wanted to get fast reliefs for your cough, your and so on, your sneezing, headache. You have to drink this medication. All adults are recommended to drink it. But there is an attention. Before drink it, you have to eat. You have to eat. Eat a little bit to avoid a serious stomach ache. Hallelujah. Catch up.